In this video, we will discuss 2022 question paper of Political Science, October. Question number 1. Who among the following authored the book The Right of Man? Option B is correct, Thomas Paine. Now question number 2. Who among the following coined the term ecofeminism? Option A is correct, Francois de Ebuin. Question number 3. Which theory of right claim that rights are inalienable and cannot be separated or taken away from the individual as they are inherent and prior to society and state? Option A is correct, theory of natural rights. Now question number 4. What does the idea of positive liberty means? Option A is correct. The state has the right to intervene in the hope of making people's life more fulfilling. Question number 5. Which one of the following is incorrect regarding Locke's political philosophy? Option D is correct, that is, the final source of state is the right to self-defense of human beings. Question number 6. Apology is a dialogue written by Plato. Which among the following are the characters of this dialogue? Option C is correct, Socrates and his accusers. Now question number 7. Which one of the following book is not written by Machiavelli? Option C is correct, Discourse on Inequality. Now question number 8. Which one of the following is not written by Mary Wollstonecraft? Option D is correct. A discourse on education is not written by. Question number 9. Identify the first ashram of Gandhi in India. Option C is correct. Kochrav Ashram. Now question number 10. Which work is not related to Bareilly? Option D is correct. Akbarnama. Question number 11. In which year did Pandita Ramabai open her Sharda Sadan, Home of Learning? Option A is correct. That is 1889. Now question number 12. The book Six Glorious Epoch of Indian History was written by. Option C is correct, V.D. Savarkar. Question number 13. The concept of political culture involves three components of individual orientation. Option C is correct. Aman and Powell give this concept of political culture. Question number 14. Who among the following is the author of the book The Idea of Nationalism? Option C is correct, Hans Cohen. Question number 15. Who among the following envisaged that liberal democracy as a political apparatus would ensure the accountability of the governors to the governed? Option C is correct, Jeremy Bentham. Question number 16. Which among the following is not a type of orientation in political culture in Robert Dell's view? Option B is correct, orientation of public management. Question number 17. India announced the Act East policy in. Option B is correct, ASEAN Summit of 2014. Now question number 18. Who wrote Neocolonialism, the last stage of capitalism? Option D is correct, Kwame Nkrumah. Now question number 19. 3C formula was associated with India's foreign policy under. Option C is correct, Narendra Modi. Question number 20. Mekong Ganga Corporation MGC was initiated by. Option D is correct, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 21. Kenneth Waltz was a. Option B is correct, Neo-realist. Question number 22. Orange Revolution was associated with. Option B is correct, Ukraine. Question number 23. The permanent secretariat of BIMSTEC is in. Option D is correct, Dhaka. Question number 24. India is a signatory of. Option C is correct, SEPA. Question number 25. In which Indian state assembly election voters verifiable paper audit trail VVPAT was used for the first time? Option B is correct, Nagaland. Question number 26. Who said whether you call it a federal constitution or a unitary constitution or by any other name, it make no difference as long as the constitution serves our purpose? Option C is correct, Rajendra Prasad. Question number 27. Which one of the following is not correct about the CAG of India? Option D is correct. The report of the CAG relating to the accounts of the Union shall be submitted to the Parliament. Question number 28. How many new languages were added by the 92nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003? Option B is correct, 4 languages. Question number 29. Ecofeminism was a special feature of. Option C is correct, Chipko movement. Question number 30. First Lokpal bill was introduced in the parliament in the year. Option D is correct, 1968. Question number 31. Who among the following has provided revisionist theory of modernity? Option B is correct, Sudipta Kaviraj. Question number 32. Warrior Elvin is associated with. Option C is correct, tribal studies. Question number 33. Who is the author of the study of public administration? Option C is correct, D. Dwight Waldo. Question number 34. Leadership is the activity of influencing people to strive willingly for mutual objectives. This was said by, option D is correct, G.R. Terry. Question number 35. Bureaucrats resist change. Who propounded this theory? Option D is correct, Robert K. Merton in 1957. Question number 36. Who among the following brought logical positivism in the study of policy making and the relation of means and ends? Option C is correct, Herbert Simon. Question number 37. Local bodies ombudsmen may be established to hear complaints of corruption against local bodies. This was the view of, option D is correct, Second Administrative Reform Commission Committee. Question number 38. Central Vigilance Commission in 1964 was set up on the recommendation of the, option B is correct, Santhanam Committee. Question number 39. Which one of the following is not the hallmark of development administration? Option C is correct, status quo oriented. Question number 40. In which one of the following year the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Yojana was launched? Option D is correct, 2015. Question number 41. Consider the following and choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option B is correct, A, C and D, that is socialism stand for equality, socialism stand for the elimination of competition, and socialism aims at the elimination of capitalism. Now question number 42. Consider the following about the postmodernism. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option B is correct here, that is B and C. Postmodernism recognizes pluralism and postmodernism criticizes meta-narratives. Now question number 43. Which among the following are the elements of liberalism? Option D is correct, A, B and D, that is individual should have the right to develop his own personality. Man is a rational creature and it believes in the constitutionalism. Now question number 44. According to Hegel, choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option A is correct. First is the state of war shows the impotence of the state in individuality. Then war destroys the self-egoism of the individual. Then war effectively displays the irony of the divine idea. And war is not to be regarded as evil but as a virtue. Now question number 45. Which of the following are correct? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct, that is B and C. Jacques Derrida write the postcard book and Frantz Fanon write the Wrench of the Earth. Now question number 46. Which one of the following are true about passive resistance in Satyagraha? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option C is correct, that is C and D. C, passive resistance is negative in practice, whereas Satyagraha is positive morality. And passive resistance is weapon of the weaker section. Satyagraha never desires to terrorize the opponents. Now question number 47. Lohia opined, option A is correct, C and D, that if socialism is to be defined in two words, then they are equality and prosperity. And the desire for equality in modern world has become the desire for being similar and not being equal. Now question number 48. Which one of the following statements are correct with regard to Aurobindo? Option A is correct, B and C, that he explains spiritual nationalism and he sees nationalism as a religious aspiration and moral attitude. Question number 49. Which one of the following statements are correct with regard to Swami Vivekananda? Option C is correct, that is A and B. He was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans and in 1893 he proceeded to participate in the Chicago Parliament of Religion. Now question number 50. Which one of the following principles are correct with regard to liberal democracy? Option A is correct, A, B and D, that is government by consent, public accountability and constitutional government. Now question number 51. Which one of the following functions should be the state perform in the view of individualist writers? Choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct, that is A, C and D. Maintenance of international law, internal law and order, protection from foreign aggression, and to implement such mutual agreements which are legally valid. Now question number 52. Which one of the following are correctly matched? Option B is correct, A and C, that is Interventional Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966 and Convention on the Right of Child 1989. Now question number 53. Which one of the following are correctly matched? Option B is correct here, that is A and C. International Court of Justice is in The Hague and International Criminal Court is in Rome. Now question number 54. Which one of the following are correctly matched? Option A is correct here, that is A and C. Operation Rahat is in Yemen and Operation Maitri is in Nepal. Now question number 55. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Option B is correct, Same A and C. ONGC Videsh is for South China Sea, and military strength is element of national power. Question number 56. Which one of the following are correctly matched? Option C is correct here, that is A and C. Clash of Civilization written by Samuel P. Huntington, and The End of History is written by Francis Fukuyama. Now question number 57. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Option C is correct here. Same A and C. Fast Track Diplomacy by Narendra Modi and Look East Policy by Narasimha Rao. Now question number 58. Which among the following languages are conferred with classical language status? Option B is correct, Tamil. B is correct, A, B and C, that is Sanskrit, Tamil and Kannada. Now question number 59. Which among the following interstate water dispute is correctly matched? Option C is correct, A, B and C, that is A, Kaveri water dispute between Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Narmada water dispute between Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra, and Krishna water dispute between Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Now question number 60. Which one of the following functions have been laid down in the 12th schedule of the Constitution of India for the municipalities? Option B is correct, A, B and C, that is urban poverty alleviation, B, planning for economic and social development, and C, road and bridges. Now question number 61. Which one of the following is true? Option A is correct here, that is A, B and D. The Election Commission of India conduct election to the state assemblies. The State Election Commission conduct panchayat and municipal body election, and the Election Commission is responsible for polling, counting and declaration of result of the elections. Now question number 62. Which among the following are the common compulsory provisions of the 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act? Option D is correct here, A and C. A is 5 yearly elections and reservation for women. Now question number 63. The rise and growth of the concept of new public administration can be traced to. Option D is correct, A, C and D, that is Honey Report on Higher Education for Public Services in 1967, Philadelphia Conference on the Theory and Practice of Public Administration in 1967, and Public Administration in a Time of Turbulence in 1971. Question number 64. Which one of the following are correct about the comparative public administration, CPA? Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Option C is correct here, A, B and D, that is CPA focus on structure, process, behavior, role and impact of public administrative system at the international level. B, comparative administrative group, CAG, was set up in 1963. And D, F.W. Rigg was the chairman of the CAG from its inception till the end of the 1970s. Now question number 65. Which among the following idea concept is given by Chester Bernard? Option B is correct, A, B and C. Acceptance, theory of authority and zone of indifference, contribution, satisfaction, equilibrium and function of the executive. Now question number 66 is match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct here. Egalitarian is given by John Rawls, libertarianism given by Robert Nozick, popular sovereignty given by Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and pluralist theory given by Karl Mannheim. Question number 67, match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct here. Representative government given by J.S. Mill. Outlines of the philosophy of right given by Friedrich Hegel. The German ideology given by Karl Marx, and the letter on toleration given by John Locke. Question number 68, match list 1 with list 2. Option D is correct here. Hindutva given by Savarkar. A plea for the reconstruction of Indian polity given by J. Prakash Narayan. Marx, Gandhi and socialism given by Lohia, and caste in India, their mechanism, genesis and development is given by B.R. Ambedkar. Now question number 69. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option from the code given below. Option B is correct here, that is Cadroy Eli give the nationalism, Hans Cohen give the nationalism and liberty, R. Muir give the nationalism and internationalism, and Boyd C. Schaeffer give the nationalism, myth and reality. Now question number 70, match list 1 with list 2. Option C is correct here, that is Henry Kissinger give the traditional approach to foreign policy, Kenneth Waltz give the man, the state and war, Amartya Sen give the multiplex order, and Joseph S. Nye give the future of power. Now question number 71, match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct here, that is Millennium Development Goals poverty and hunger. Marshall Plan is for reconstruction of European economy. Group of 77 is for new international economic order, and GATE is for World Trade Organization. Question number 72, match list 1 with list 2. Option D is correct here, that is administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribe is in the 5th schedule. List of official languages given in the 8th schedule. Provisions of list union, state and concurrent is given in the 7th schedule, and oath need to be made by the union and state ministers is given under 3rd schedule. Now question number 73, match list 1 with list 2. Option A is correct here. Franklin R. Frankel and M.S.A. Rao give the dominance and state power in the modern India. Rudolph and Rudolph give the modernity of traditions. Ashutosh Varshne give the battle half won, and Sudipta Kaviraj give the trajectories of the Indian states. Now question number 74 is match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct here. Principle of administration from 1927 to 37. Era of challenge in 1938 to 1947. Politics administration dichotomy is from 1887 to 1926, and crisis of identity is from 1948 to 1970. Question number 75, match list 1 with list 2. Option B is correct here. Canada is citizen charter implementation year is 1995. India's is 1997, Malaysia is in 1993, and France is in 1992. Now question number 76 is arrange the following stages of human history given by Karl Marx. Option C is correct here. First is the primitive society, then is the slave society, then the feudal society, then capitalist society, and the last is the communist society. Now question number 77. What is the correct sequencing of these political thinkers on the basis of their birth year? Option A is correct. First is Aristotle, then Machiavelli, then Hobbes, then Locke, and the last is Rousseau. Now question number 78. Arrange the following books written by B.R. Ambedkar in ascending order. Option A is correct. First is The Caste in India, their mechanism, genesis and development. The Problem of Rupee, its origin and its solution. The Annihilation of Caste, and Thoughts on Pakistan. Now question number 79. Arrange the following according to the chronological order. Option A is correct here. First is the Orange Revolution, then Russian-Georgian War, then is the Euromaidan Revolution, and the last is Russia-Ukraine War. Now question number 80. Arrange the following in the chronological order. Option B is correct here. First is the Indus Water Treaty, then Shimla Accord, then Lahore Declaration, and the last is Agra Summit. Now question number 81. Arrange the establishment of the following commissions in chronological order. Option D is correct here. First is the National Commission for Women, then as National Human Rights Commission, then is the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe, and then is the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Now question number 82. Consider the following movements. Arrange them in the chronological order. Option A is correct, that is Champaran movement, Kheda movement, Khilafat movement, and Naxalbari movement. Question number 83. Chronologically arrange the correct sequence of the committees constituted for Panchayati Raj in India. Option C is correct here, that is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, then Ashok Mehta Committee, then J.V.K. Rao, and then is the L.M. Singhvi Committee. Question number 84 is assertion reason. Assertion: the philosophy of integral humanism belongs to Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Reason: Deen Dayal Upadhyay rejected communism, in which individualism was crushed as a part of large heartless machine. Option B is correct. Both the statement are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 85. Which among the following are included in 9 pillars of digital India? Option C is correct. A, B, and C, that is information for all, early harvest program, and electronic manufacturing. Now question number 86 is assertion reason. Assertion: hegemony is a system regulated by a dominant power. Reason: in realist theory, it refers to the influence a greater power is able to establish over other states in the system, ranging from leadership to dominance. Option A is correct. Both the statement are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 87. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Tagore and Gandhi met for the first time at Shanti Niketan. Statement 2. Tagore and Gandhi meet for the first time at the Gurukul Kangri. Option C is correct, that statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Now question number 88, statement 1, the word ecology is derived from the Greek word oikos. Statement 2, Norwegian philosopher Ernest Nas divided ecologism into shallow and deep ecologism. Option A is correct, both the statement are true. Now question number 89, assertion reason. Assertion, Thomas Jefferson was determined not to remove public officials for political reason alone. Reason, malconduct is just ground for removal of public officials. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Option B is correct, both the statement are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 90, given below are two statements. Statement 1, power is an instrument of coercion and has a physical effect. Statement 2, power could as well be based on consent and yet be more effective. Option A is correct, both the statement are true. From question number 91 to 100 is the passage. Question number 91, as per the 2011 census, the absolute number of male non-literates of the country at the age of 15 and above are, here is the passage. So correct option is option number D, 9.08 crore. Now question number 92, in how many years the target for foundation literacy and numeracy of 5 crore be completed? Option C is correct, 5 years. Now question number 93, which will be the unity for conduct surveying for beneficiary and voluntarily teachers? Option A is correct, school. Question number 94, what is the age group is included under this scheme? Option B is correct, non-literates of the age of 15 years and above. Question number 95, what amount will be shared by the state in this scheme? Option D is correct, 337.90 crore. Now question number 96, here is the passage, and first question 96 is, political theory deals with, option D is correct, philosophy and empirical terms. Now question number 97, which one of the following is not related to political theory? Option D is correct, it does not study relationship of concept and political theory. Now question number 98, which one of the following is correct about political theory? Option B is correct, political theory is a generalized statement about political life. Now question number 99, which one of the following is incorrect? Option D is correct, political theory develops in isolation. And last question, question number 100, which one of the following is true statement? Option B is correct, political theory aims at not only to understand and explain but also to devise way and means to change society.